How to build on your Monopoly Go. Hello everyone, wherever you are, welcome in this video. I will tell you how to fix or how to do to build on your Monopoly Go. So you just need to follow and watch this video till the end. So first you open your Monopoly Go and then come right now here on build. But first you must have like money. And if you found like a space like this, just click on it and choose what you wanna build. For example, I wanna build this, or I built this before. I will click, for example, I wanna build this. So that's it. As you see, I will build something else here, and that's all, guys. As you see, I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you next time.